Turn $300 a month into $50,000 with the power of compounding interest. This digital planner shows you how, step by step. This planner is designed to help you save $300 each month and invest it to grow your wealth through dividends and compounding interest. Every small step gets you closer to $50,000. Follow 5 easy steps. Cut costs, explore savings, earn extra income, invest monthly, track your growth, and celebrate milestones. Use this worksheet to identify small expenses you can reduce, from canceling unused subscriptions to cooking at home. Every dollar saved moves you closer to your goal. Explore additional ways to reduce spending each month. Be creative and think about areas where you can cut back without sacrificing what matters most. If cutting costs isn't enough, this page offers practical ways to earn extra income, like freelancing, gig work, or selling online. Every extra dollar gets you closer to $50,000. Now that you've saved $300 a month, it's time to invest. Choose a reliable platform like Vanguard, Fidelity, or M1 Finance, and set up automatic contributions. Follow these steps. Set up automatic monthly transfers, choose a solid dividend-yielding ETF or stock, and enable dividend reinvestment to maximize growth. Focus on ETFs like Vanguard High Dividend Yield or Schwab Dividend Equity, or choose blue-chip dividend stocks. Enable dividend reinvestment for faster growth. Use this yearly tracker to monitor your total investments, dividends, and overall value. Celebrate milestones at $5,000, $10,000, and every $5,000 on the way to $50,000. Reflect on your journey, celebrate your success, and think about what's next. Your $50,000 goal is just the beginning. Keep investing and building wealth. Ready to take the first step? Download now and start building wealth, because your financial future starts today.